Let's see question number 6. Store A sells raspberries for $5.50 per pint and blackberries for $3 per pint. Okay, let's keep write the data. It's store A, and here raspberries and blackberries. Raspberries $5.50 for one and $3 for blackberry. Store B sells raspberries. Okay, there is a store B that sells raspberry for $6,006.50 and blackberries for $8 per piece. A certain purchase of raspberries and blackberries would cost these much dollars at store A and $66 at store B. So at store A, we don't know how many numbers of raspberry and blackberries are bought. So at store A, total cost is $37, and at store B, $66 is the total cost. How many pints of blackberries are in purchase? Now, if we see the question, what is variable here? We don't know the number of raspberries and blackberries. So these will be our two variables. Let raspberries be X in number and blackberries be Y in number. So that means if you are buying X numbers of raspberries and $5.50 is the cost of one, so X will cost you $5.50 times X. Just like if one chocolate costs 5.50, then 10 chocolates will cost, you have to multiply here. And because we don't know the number of raspberries, so we are taking it as a variable, which is X. And then blueberries, $3. So if $3 is for one and there are Y raspberries, so this is the total cost of raspberries and blackberries, and this is how much store one is costing. Similarly, 6.50, $6.05 times X raspberries plus $8 per raspberry times number of raspberries, this is equal to 66. So these are the two equations. Now we have to find the number of blackberries. That means blackberries are Y. So we have to find Y. Now we have a system of equations. So we can use elimination method. And to use elimination method, we delete or we eliminate one of the variables by multiplying. How I can do this? If I just multiply first equation with 8, the whole equation, and the second equation will be 3, then this 8 times 3 is 24 and 8 times 3 is 24. It will become, coefficient will become same. We do this to make any of the coefficients same and of opposite sign, right? So that they can be cancelled. So 8 3s are 24, positive 24. 3 8s are 24, positive 24. I need negative 24 to get it cancelled. So at place of 3, I will multiply it with negative 3. So let's multiply. Use your calculator. So it's 44x plus 24y. I'm multiplying 5.50 with 8 and then 3 with 8 and then 37 with 8. Keep using calculator. I'm also doing with the help of calculator. And if it is negative 3, then negative 19.5x negative 24y is equal to negative 198. Okay. So plus 24y and negative 24y cancelled, and we are left with x only. So let's solve it. 44 minus 19.5, use your calculator, that will be 24.x. 24.5x, sorry for that, is equal to 296 minus 198 is 98. Now dividing by 24.5 on both sides, again use the calculator. So that is equal to 4. That means raspberries are 4. Now we don't need raspberries. We need blackberries in number. So that means we need y. So we will use any of the equations. Let's use 5.50 times x plus 3y is equal to 37. I can use any of this, right? Okay. So 1 x is 4, 5.50 times 4 plus 3y is equal to 37. Okay, again 5.50 times 4 is 22 plus 3y is equal to 37. 3y subtracting 22 on both sides. If you do it on this side, that will be cancelled. So 3 of y is equal to, that is 15, and y is equal to 5. So we need blackberries, which is 5. So C is the right option. Now maybe you must be thinking, if we need y, right, we can also do it with the other. Our question has been solved. It's just another thinking, right? So what if I just eliminate x, right? This is another way. You may think like, if we need y, then why are we calculating x first and then substituting it and then calculating y? Why not eliminate x? So let's see why it's not a good option. You can do that. It's not the thing that concept is not correct. You can do that. So if I multiply this equation with 6.50 and this equation with 5.50, that will help me to eliminate x. But I have to deal with so many decimals, so I'm not comfortable with it. So I'm not, okay, let's calculate x first and then put it into the value and calculate y, right? Okay, I hope that is clear. If I have any doubt, just give me a comment. I'll send you the solution. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, because this way I feel motivated to give some more good content.